Okay, so this goes for all Samsung Galaxy S7 as well as the S7 Edge. You are locked out of your phone. You cannot get into your phone. Maybe you forgot your password or your PIN code or your swipe code, or maybe your fingerprint is not working. Maybe you got a scar or you got cut on your finger and it's just not registering and you don't know your backup PIN number. Well, the only way to unlock it, guys, unfortunately, is to do a factory reset. And when you do a factory reset, what's going to happen is basically you're going to delete everything on your phone. It's going to be as if you bought your phone brand new and took it right out of the box. And you'll start off with the welcome screen to set up your new phone. Okay, so doing this method, you will lose everything on your phone: photos, all your videos, your messages, your documents, everything, apps, it's all going to be gone. Okay, so what you want to do to do this factory reset is you want to hold down the power button and you want to turn off your phone first. Okay, and what I'm going to do next is when the phone is completely powered off, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold 3 buttons simultaneously. Okay, I'm going to press and hold 3 buttons. It's going to be the volume up button, the home button, and the power button. Okay, so I'm going to hold these 3 buttons at the same time. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Press and hold, and I am going to continue to hold until I see the Android guy. Here he is. Now I can let go. And what this is going to do is bring me to the boot up recovery menu. And it says here, installing system update. No command, give it a second. Okay, now here we are. Now we're in the recovery menu here. And what you want to do from here is to scroll down, you hit the volume up rocker. If you want to scroll up, you hit the volume up rocker. So we're going to go down to where it says wipe data / factory reset. Once I go there to select it, I want to press the power button, okay? And now from here is asking you to reconfirm, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and press on down 1 time for yes, and I'm going to click on the power button. Okay, now it says wiping data, formatting data. Okay, now once we're here, what we want to simply do is just go with the default that's highlighted. It already says reboot system now. To select it, simply click on the power button. Give it a second here. Okay, now we want it to wait for it to fully reboot. Now what happens when it is done booting, after it clears formats, wipes out everything in our phone, it's going to bring us to the welcome screen. Basically the screen where you have to set up your phone. Just like when you purchased your phone brand new, you have to go through that setup process. And again, don't forget, all your stuff is going to be long gone. Hopefully you back some of it up. This way you're able to retrieve it once you go through the setup process. So it gives us a second. Okay, now it says installing applications. And now we're at the welcome screen. And yes, it starts off with what language you want. And